What's up everyone, BASHNICH here, and today I'm going to show you my source to infinite dihydrogen. All you're going to need is a medium refinery and at least 40 dihydrogen to get this going. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty, so what you're going to want to do is come over to your refinery. You can use a small refinery, but you're going to be using up a lot of carbon to do this. The medium refinery doesn't take any fuel, so it's the best source. In my case, I'm using the one on my freighter. In this case, it's a mobile base. Comes with me wherever I want to go. Just gotta summon it, and hop on in, and start refining. So what you want to do is take the hydrogen and make one jelly, or if you already have a jelly, pop it inside of the medium refinery. And then what the process is essentially doing is you're taking 40 dihydrogen to make one jelly. That one jelly will make 50 dihydrogen. And then you just want to keep repeating this process. So after you make 4 jellies, you're going to have enough to make 2 jellies after everything refines, and you can go back and remake them. And then you just go back and forth, and constantly make jellies until you have the amount you're looking for. In my case, I spent about 10 minutes doing this process, and I cranked over 2,000 dihydrogen. So it's really easy to make. All it is your time invested into it. But it's an unlimited source. You don't have to go out looking for it. And you're short. Like in a lot of cases, I do this when I'm making fuel for my freighter. I have a stack of 40 jelly that I constantly keep inside of a storage bin nearby, that I'll just come over here and I'll put each of them through a couple of times to get what I need for fuel, put the 40 back, take the extra, and I'll just make all the friggin' fuel I need so I can send them out on expeditions. So this is my source for unlimited dihydrogen. So in order to do this, once again, you need the medium refinery, at least 40 dihydrogen, or 1 dihydrogen jelly. In order to get the medium refinery, you do have to follow the storyline up to the point where you find the anomaly. On board the anomaly in the back, there is a section of vendors, and on the left side, the middle terminal, the construction research terminal, you will head into there, and under technology research, you will spend 8 salvage data, so be sure to bring some with you, to unlock the medium refinery. After which you can build it inside your freighter, like I have as a mobile base, and it's a lot easier to get to and access. Or you could go ahead and build inside your base. I would suggest trying to unlock the solar panels or a better source of energy that doesn't require fuel if you were going down that route. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, or follow along on Twitch. I have been streaming No Man's Sky along with other games lately. But as of now, No Man's Sky is my new addiction, as it's eaten up a lot of my time. So feel free to come and hang out as we travel the stars.